Were you guys breaking into that? Man, put your hands up.
What the hell?
Who? No! Get him, Kimberley!
Help me!
No! Back the fuck up. Let him go. Let him go. Nah, man, fuck you. You're gonna get on the ground. Get on the fucking ground. He's reaching for a gun. No, he's got a gun. Got a gun. No! 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 Fuck! No!
Oh my God!
Good, put him in handcuffs. Put him in handcuffs. The gun is under him still.
Okay.
You're okay.
That was Fox 153.
I got him, Kimberley. We need an ambulance. We got the suspect down. You're okay. Here.
I'm sorry.
No, you're fine, Kimberly.
I'm sorry.
You motherfucker. No!
Don't fucking move.
You're gonna get shot again, you piece of shit.
Forgive me.
We just need to get these handcuffs on. You got hurt? No, the gun is still under him.
Okay, I got his arm. Forgive me.
Are you okay?
No, you had a chance. You're trying to fucking kill us.
I didn't want to kill you. I just trying to get away.
It doesn't matter. No, you don't. You're done.
I got it. Don't worry. I'm going. Forgive me.
Want to move?
Whoa. Snap it on.
All right. Roll him over. I'm going to get the gun.
I got him.
You're okay. You're okay. Sit him up. Sit him up.
Please kill me. It was my bad. Please forgive me. We got D4 coming.
There's nothing but weakening pressure right now. Hey. No, the gate to get it open. I do.
It's done.
It's done. All we can do is put.
I do my best. Please forgive me.
All right.
Please forgive me.
All right. It's done. Forget it. All right.
Okay. Forgive me.
It's breath. You're good. You're good.
6-9-1-5,
Forgive me. Forgive me, man. That's done. Relax. Forgive me. My life's over. Forgive me. Get me up.
Stop moving.
Get me up. Let's put me in the car. Or something. I'm losing time.
All right. So we're good at leaving. This is his. This is what he was trying to get us with.
Okay.
You all right? I'm good.
Okay. I'm telling you, let me breathe.
Now you can breathe, man. All right, relax.
Oh,
Hey,
I'm gonna lay down.
once they load him up.
You better you stay up.
Once they load him up, when you guys ride with them?
Let me up.
I'll ride with them. Okay.
Stop moving. All right.